Hello everyone, this is Mahinder. In the previous videos, we have seen about squares and we have learned about Pythagorean triplets and we have solved some problems based on properties of squares. So in this video, we are going to see about square root. Right. So see, given here it is a square here. The area of the square is given as 169 square units. Okay, I don't know this side. Consider it is x. If the side is x, what is the area of the square? Yeah, area of the square is x square, isn't it? So if you compare these two, we get x square is equals to 169. If I transpose this square to RHS side, it becomes root to 169. This symbol is called square root. Okay, this is a symbolic representation of square root operation. Okay, so this we can write x is equals to 169 whole power 1 by 2. Okay, next x is equals to 169 whole power 1 by 2. This we can write 169, we can write 13 square whole power 1 by 2. So we have one property, a power m whole power n is equals to a power mn. So x is equals to 13 power 2 into 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, x is equals to 13 is the side of the square. Okay, so to solve this problem I have used this root symbol. This is a square root operation symbol. So if I transpose this x square to RHS side, it becomes root. Okay, so we can say, by this we can say square and square root are reverse operation to each other, isn't it? Suppose you can see here, yeah, 13 square makes 169. Okay, isn't it? And x square is equals to under root 169. Sorry, very sorry. X square equals 169. It makes root 169. This is nothing but x is equals to 13 we got. Okay, if you square this, we get again 169. So by this we can say that square and square roots are inverse operations. Okay, right. Instead of doing all these things, we can simply simplify like this. X square is equals to 169. X is equals to under root 169, and 169 we can write 13 square and root here this square and this root gets cancelled. X is equals to 13. Okay, so that is the meaning of square root. Square root is nothing but an operation indicated with this symbol. Okay, right. This is the square root, remember, right? So if you observe, this is the square root symbol. So here there is no number inside of this cap. Okay, there is no number here. It means every time if I tell you square root, it means here it is 2 remains. Okay, 2 in the cap, whether it is given or not, but we can consider just 2 is present here. Okay, that is the meaning of square root. Okay, so we shall discuss about cube root in the next videos, coming videos. Suppose if I write in this cap 3, it means it is a cubed root. Okay, so 2 root 2 is different. Okay, 2 root 2 is different and square root 2 is different. Okay, remember this thing. Yeah, I will give you clarification. Yeah, this is the square root 2 and this is the 2 root 2. Okay, this we can write 2 into root 2 and this we can write 2 power 1 by 2. Okay, both are different. If I write 3 in the cap, it means it is a cubed root. Okay, this we can write 2 power 1 by 3. We shall learn about this in the coming videos. Okay, so remember square and squaring and square roots are reverse operations. I hope you understand about this square root. Thank you.